Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you a good photo manipulation effect in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template and here we are just going to search for a road. Okay, we are into the photos and here you can just simply select any good road. Okay, now we are removing the background and let's see how it goes. Mhm. Okay, let us do it in such manner. Then simply search for shape and here in the all, let's select this shape, right? Rotate it a little bit. You need to put some efforts if you want to create such kind of photo manipulation effect, right? Okay, let's duplicate this one as well. I've duplicated it. Now I will rotate it from this side, right? So we can rotate it from this side as well. Okay, it's done. Now let us select Control Z. Now let us click on share, download the transparent background. Now, current page done. Now it will take time, right? Might be you will commit mistakes as well because it is very quite confusing, right? Mountain, water, let's go photos. Okay, now let us search for circle frame. Let's go to all. Here you will find some. I don't want this. Let's simply search for frame. Now let's go back to elements, recently used items, right? Now we are going to upload the file that we have recently downloaded. Click on open, select this, remove the background. We need to place it like this first, place it in such way that it gets overlapped, right? Done. Let's go back to elements and search for your portal. Let's go to graphics and select some good, good neon portal. No, this one not. Extremely not. Okay, work. Let's fit this neon portal as per our frame size and then click on triple dot, layer, send backward. Okay, it's looking nice. Now what we are going to do is search for neon line. Okay, let's select this one. You can change its color as well, right? You need to rotate it, right? And duplicate it, then rotate for this side as well. Place it over here. Hmm. Now let's search for parachute or hot air balloon photos. Here you will find some good hot air balloons. Remove their background. reduce their size. Okay. So in this manner, you can create some good photo manipulation effect using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.